Why is your AC blowing hot air? Don't sweat it, these 6 hidden problems could be the culprit, and most homeowners miss the easiest fixes. An AC blowing warm air is usually caused by a dirty air filter, incorrect thermostat settings, low refrigerant, or a frozen evaporator coil. Other common issues include a tripped breaker, blocked condenser unit, or a faulty compressor/capacitor. Check the air filter and thermostat settings first to resolve the issue. Here are the most common reasons your AC is blowing warm air. Dirty air filter. A clogged filter restricts airflow, causing the evaporator coils to freeze up, which stops the system from cooling. Incorrect thermostat settings. Ensure the thermostat is set to cool and not heat or fan only mode. Low refrigerant/leaks. If the system has a leak, it lacks the refrigerant needed to absorb heat. Look for hissing or gurgling sounds, which indicate a leak. Frozen evaporator coil. If the air is not moving properly, the coils can freeze. Dirty condenser coils. The outdoor unit needs to release heat, which cannot happen if the coils are covered in debris. Tripped circuit breaker. The outdoor unit may not have power, meaning the fan is running but not the cooling mechanism. Compressor failure. The compressor is the heart of the AC. If it fails, the system cannot circulate refrigerant, causing warm air. What to check first? Change the air filter. A new filter can fix many airflow issues. Check the thermostat. Ensure it is in cool mode, not fan or heat. Check the circuit breaker. Ensure the breaker for the outdoor unit hasn't tripped. Clean the outdoor unit. Clear leaves or debris around the condenser. If these steps do not fix the issue, you may have a refrigerant leak or a failed component, requiring a professional HVAC technician.